Hi, my name is Gert Sarlet. I'm the product line manager with Finisar for coherent transceivers and integrated coherent optical components. We're here at OFC 2019 in San Diego, where we are demonstrating our IC-TROSA or integrated coherent transmit and receive optical subassembly. The IC-TROSA is an optical component that's being defined by the Optical Internetworking Forum. And we believe that we are the first to actually demonstrate the practical implementation here at the show. So what it is a single gold box component which has a complete optical coherent front end in the package. That means a tunable laser, IQ modulator, driver, coherent mixer, and the TIAs, as well as the control electronics for all these components. The intent is to be able to use this optical subassembly in very small form factor, pluggable transceivers like the QSFP DD module that I'm holding in my hand here. In the setup, we have at the back a digital signal processor generating 400 gig data in a 16 QAM, 67Gbaud format. Feeding into the optical subassembly. The transmitter sends the data out on the fiber into the receiver, and then the signal is recovered by the digital signal processor at the back. The display on the left-hand side shows the 16 QAM constellation as recovered by the digital signal processor, running error-free post-spec. For more information, contact your Finisar sales representative or see us online at finisar.com.